Here I am, know it's been a while. I was in denial about my love. Here I stand, I know I walked away. Had to find the person I'd become. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. It's been there all along. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong.
Sawadikap. Kali ini saya berkunjung ke Pantai Karangtaulan yang berada di Kabupaten Tasikmalaya, Jawa Barat ya guys. Pantai ini mungkin masih rada asing di telinga kita. Hei, jangan salah. Pantai Karangtaulan merupakan tempat wisata Tasikmalaya yang paling eksotis ya guys.
I was high and I was low, moved through mountains, rain and snow, but I felt that I was further from the truth. In the dark and stormy night, rolling thunder, flashing light, heard a whisper in the night, and it said,
Pantai Karangtaulan merupakan pantai yang lengkap dengan alamnya. Ada pasirnya, ada karang-karang besarnya, ada bukitnya, ada juga pulau kecil ya guys. Tiket masuknya murah loh guys, cuma Rp3.000 per orang ya.
go back home, go. That's where you belong. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. It's been there all along. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong.
Terdapat pohon-pohon besar yang tumbuh di sini, sehingga membuat keadaan sekitar menjadi sejuk dan adem ya guys. Pas banget buat gelar